Norman H. Phinney, August 7, 1850 to 1919, was a businessman and political figure in Nova Scotia, Canada. He represented Annapolis County in the Nova Scotia House of Assembly from 1911 to 1916 as a Liberal member. He was born in Lawrencetown, Annapolis County, Nova Scotia, the son of Elijah Phinney. He established a company there which sold pianos, organs, phonographs and sewing machines, among other things. In 1874, he married Jesse Wheelock. Phinney married Emma M. Bishop, née Fitzrandolph, in 1901 after the death of his first wife, Alison D. and Tuck. CE History of Nova Scotia, Volume 3, 1916, p. 525.